Hello, welcome back. Yeah, after my previous session on the data sphere and its integration with the BI tools, couple of friends asked that some sessions on the script, SQL scripts. So in today's session, I'm going to discuss and demonstrate how to use SQL script to create a table, insert the data into the table in data spheres HANA database. We all know that, right? It's a data sphere is completely built on the HANA database, and it's deployed on the BTP. So as we already aware, the datasphere is built on HANA database and deployed on the BTP, and my datasphere using here for the demo is deployed on my personal BTP account. I have already prepared few sessions earlier on how to deploy dataspheres on BTP and its integration with SAC, Power BI, Tableau, MS Office, analysis for Office, etc. You can check my previous videos if you have any such kind of requirement or if you want to configure your data sphere. So I can demonstrate how to create a table and insert data into the table by using SQL script and CSV files. How we can create ER models in data spheres directly. Basically, when you are designing any large data analytics projects, this inbuilt feature of ER modeling may help. Hopefully, you might use other modeling tools like Erwin and Visio, etc. in your previous background, or even to use this ER modeling in Datasphere. No previous experience is required. If you have the requirement, that is more than enough, I feel. Okay, so basically, when you are playing a role of especially data modeler, then this ER modeling tool may help. You can design and give to, you can design and pass to your other colleagues to start building the complete database tables and all. It's basically it will give the view. It's a graphical view. It gives like which tables are involved in your modeling and what is the relationship between the tables. Next, and I'm going to use a famous database which is well familiar for the people who work or knew the SAP business objects. Any guess what it is? Yes, it's our eFashion database. Finally, I found a script for eFashion database and created table by executing the script and exported the data to the CSV files. So in today's session, I'm going to create and insert the data into the table by using script, and then I can use the CSV file to create a table and insert the data. And then I will go and create the ER model, and then we can create the view, graphical view I can use. Of course, I will go with the graphical view, and then we can use that graphical view in SAP Analytics Cloud and build the dashboard. That's it. That is the agenda for this session. So here is the model which I'm talking about, the eFashion model. And yeah, I'm not using these two aggregation table over here. Even I have the script for this, but I'm not going to use all this. I'm just using all these tables and create the ER model. I will give the basic idea of this, and in the subsequent sessions, I will, because now I found this eFashion database scripts and all. In the subsequent sessions, I may be completely using this eFashion database to demonstrate data flows and replication flows and in fact the entire data spheres. I'm going to use this. I'm just giving the brief overview of like how we can create this these things actually. So let's log into the data sphere and good. Yeah, I already had my space, but I'm just, yeah, see, go to the space management, and I'm using this space. Just edit it and go down, and yeah, here you can create your own database user. So I'm going to create a database user here, and then just, okay, I will create one database user. So eFashion demo, I'm just giving the e demo. Okay, that is enough demo, and I'm just going to give this. What is this? SD enable. Okay, this is not required. And I mean, this need to raise some SAP keys to enable that. So I'm not giving that, and remaining or no. I think these are enough for me. So I'm just creating the database. So now user is ready. I need to deploy it. See here, not deployed. Okay, I used to deploy it. And how we can deploy it? Just go here, or else you can just use this and deploy. Yeah, it's activated now. So just find out the database username and password, and then I think this password is fine to connect to the database. Yeah, user is activated, and I just noted down my password, and I can launch here. See, open Database Explorer, and now with the new, I mean, with the HANA, the changes in the HANA as well, right? So now we can use either Web ID for all on-premise database, I mean, modeling purpose, and business application studio for the cloud related modeling and all. So I'm just using launching my web ID from here, so it will open me the database explorer, and I'm using the same user. Continue. I have to yes user IDs, so I'm using the one which is the official one, and not yes user ID I'm using, not p user. And here I need to paste my password, and anything else I need to do nothing. Just click OK, and it opens. See, my earlier sessions got opened. Let me just close everything and keep only the current one. If you just open here, yeah, see, e-demo, the one which we have created. So I'm just closing all these, and what I can do here, now I will copy paste the SQL. Let me just get that script as well. Yeah, I just forgot to show something here. Yeah, these are the tables I'm using, and these are the basic giants. I used to use these for my, yeah, in early days of my business objects learning, and these are the giants we are having basically. But let me go and copy paste this script and execute it here. I will just move the screen down. Yeah, I'm here now. I will just open the SQL console, and I will just execute this script. See, my table got created now here, and you want to see the table, just you can go here and see, this is the table I have created. And if you see this, what is the open data? It is blank. There is no value. Right now, I will just get something for this table and insert into that. This is product promotion fact. Yeah, I already had the script for this, and yes, I'm just deleting this and pasting it completely here. So this is the data I'm entering here. It's done. Now go and refresh here. I'll see the data. See the same records, 10 records I have inserted here, and those 10 records is coming here. It's done. For one table, I have inserted it. So like that, see, and this is the table you can see here, and all I see. Now even we can just, sorry, if you do the data preview, again you will get the same. Yeah, I'm going to create another shop fact table. See, this is the shop fact table, which is the main table in our eFashion database. I just, yeah, table got created now, and I'm loading some data here. Okay, only few records I'm loading. Okay, so this data is loaded, and now if you go and see, Open data preview, then you will get the data. Say 11 records I have inserted here, and the same 11 records will get here. Yeah, this is done. So this is the way we can use the script and load the data. I mean, create the table and load the data. Now the other option I will show you. I will use I already have, because it's just few lines of insert statement, so I just directly use it. But for the shop fact table, I had around 80,000 records, so I'm just using the using the CSV file. I already executed it and exported to the CSV file, and that's what I'm going to use to create the all remaining tables here. I'm just dropping the table so that I can create the tables again with the CSV file with the full data. I'm just dropping it. Same like how you can execute the statement in any database. So already I have done for the promotion fact table. I'm doing for the shop fact table as well. So I'll just execute this one statement. Done. See, both table are gone. Now the schema is completely empty. Yeah, I'm again creating the shop fact table here. So the table got created, and I can load the data directly into the table. This is the one way, by importing the table data. See, I'm just importing the local file, which is the CSV file, which is there in my mission. And see here the import options, couple of options are there. You can import from Amazon S3 buckets or Azure storage or Alibaba cloud, and these are the different sources you can directly import it if you have any requirement. It's a data lake files. Say Google Cloud Storage, and even we have direct options to consume the data from Google BigQuery as well. I will demonstrate in some different sessions in future. But here, see, I'm just showing you like how we can get the data. If you select this option, then see all these fields you have to fill, and you know that, right? How we can generate these secret keys, and what is some other secret user or secret key, something we used to create when we are creating the connections to cloud systems, right? Those things, yeah. See, these are the things we can use. And I'm going with the local file now. So these are the things I'm selecting. See, this is a CSV file, and I'm going to the next step, and then create a new. See, here you are having the option, create a new table or load it. We already have the table, so I'm just directly loading it. Yeah, and here it will show the options, like which are all things you can select and integrate. I'm not doing anything, start even loading this table. Save all successful rows, yes. See, and just simply import it. It shows some sample data, sample records over here, and you can see, yeah, you can see the data which we are going to load, and just import it. Finish, yes, 89,171 records got imported into this table. Now see, just go and preview the data. Yeah, we got this data here, right? And if you want to see the SQL, of course, you can see here. Yeah, this is what we can do, and import the data from the files. And even if you want to do some analysis over here, you can do it. What you can do, yeah, I will just drag and drop here a couple of things, and article color code you can go and just add some amount and quantity sold. See, this is what the analysis you can do. And if you are familiar with the HANA calculation views, there also you can do the same, right? The same thing when you build the calculation view, like how you can visualize and see the data or the raw data. So same thing. If you are already worked with the HANA at least view development, then you might aware of all these things. It's very familiar to us, right? Yeah, and you can just see everything line chart, or yeah, dual line chart, anything if you want to select, you can do here. Okay, yeah. So I'm pausing the video, and I'm not pausing the video. Actually, I already created with a different user, so I'm just going to that and demonstrate that instead of creating all the tables again here. Okay, so I use this one. I think I already used the different users and created this entire schema. Let me see that. Yeah. I will go here and yeah, and data builder, and see, this is what, yeah, eFashion data model is already there. Yeah, these are the table I've already created and loaded the data, and you can see here. Okay, source I will showcase. I will demonstrate that. I think I use the DB schema. Yes, I use the DBA access user, and see, these are the tables I have created here, and just drag it and drop here and created it. Just, if you want to create, you can keep here, and you can just create here another table, and just, select this and join to this table. It indicates that this table and this table are having some relation, because here, see, I already created the table. But SAP Datasphere, we have another option is directly you can start creating the table. Okay, let me go back. Yeah, I will discard it, and I will go again to the builder, and I will start creating the entity relations new model. So see here, I can start creating here, creating as well. I'll just give some demo year model, ER for sales, and I will just keep adding here the required fields. Oh, no, sorry, not this one. Yeah, I start adding the sales order ID. I will just add say, oh sorry, sales order ID and order details, something I'm just adding, and you can define this technical name and what is the business name, everything you can define here. If you want to define the key, you can define as well, and close it. See, these two columns are created. Again, I will add, and I will make it as a item table, some sales item, and I will start adding the columns over here. Item ID, and just I can give the business name or technical name, and any, say, default values I can define. Say I can give the default value 100 and not null. If you want to make, you can define that, and just add item details, and it's a string. What type you want to define, you can define here. Okay, and just close it. See, I have done this, and I can join with this. Okay, and the moment you can save and deploy it, it automatically create the table for you, and that other colleague can start working on this to insert the data. This is what you can do here. So now tables are ready and ER models are ready. I just added that to just see that how we can use this ER model feature, but in future I can just create the complete session for only the ER model, and we can build a complete model again. And now I'm going and creating the view. I'm just using the graphical view, and see here repository and source. So here my source is HANA database. I'm not using any flat file or what the content is already available in my repository. I'm using the HANA database, which is our Datasphere source database. So I'm using this, and I will just try to replicate the same thing what is there in the in my ER model. Let me just duplicate it in duplicate the screen and open the ER model. So similar way we can create the view and get all those required fields. Where is the ER model? Yeah, I can go here, and this is my ER model. So by seeing this, as I'm just trying to create the my graphical view and which I can consume for the SSC reporting. See here, article color lookup and article lookup have the join, and then shop fact and article lookup having the join. So see here, what I'm trying to do is this one and article color lookup with these two tables I already got, and article lookup criteria. Where is the article lookup criteria? Sorry, not this one. Article lookup criteria and shop fact is having the join. So I will get the shop fact again. Yeah, and then calendar year lookup. I'm just skipping here. Hey, I will pause the video for some time and just get one view with using these tables, and then I can resume the video again. I will try to implement all these joins in my view now, but it is taking little time, so I'm just pausing the video. But just for a sample, I will just show you. First join is calendar year lookup and shop fact. So I'm getting the shop fact first, and then calendar year lookup I'm getting it. And see here, the moment you got the table calendar year lookup, it will ask you to select the join or union or replace. So by default it selected the join. So see, now it's joined. Like that, I'm going to implement all these 8 joins I'm having with these tables, and I will resume the video. So now I have implemented my 8 joins on this table, and my view looks like this now. See here, let me zoom a little more. See, this is what the joins have implemented, and see here, yeah, the final output comes like this. But there are a couple of errors, and I will show you those error messages as well. And still I haven't saved it. I will save it, and I will save it directly as a analytic model, and you can consume. Yeah, that is not the best practice we need to follow. As for the latest update, we have to design the fact model, and on top of that you can design the analytic model, and that we can make for the consumption. But I'm just using the still duplicated analytic dataset, our previous standard one, and build this. See, there are a couple of warning messages are there. See here, 14 warning messages, because I use the multiple tables, and those tables having some I mean non-unique columns. See, here is there in the multiple tables, right? I mean there are 2 times I use the calendar year lookup, so that is there multiple times is repeating. So I will just fix those issues and again come back. I'm just pausing the video. Yeah, I just want to show one more thing, so I just enable the video again. See here, I can see still there are 3 altogether. I have the 14 errors. See, oh, still 11 is there. I fixed a couple of things. These are all. So here you can go one by one, or at a time you can just go directly here and fix it. So I'm just going here. See, still 3 more are there. So okay, here I can see what are the 3. Yeah, see, sales price. Sales price is not a unique. So I can just come here and see sales price. So see, sales price is repeating twice. So if you want to see which one you want to take, you have an option here. Okay, see, just select it. So it will show the path from where, I mean from where we are getting this sales price. Let me go here. See, I will just select the sales price. Okay, we are discussing about sales price. Sales price, and if you select this, see, this is coming from this table actually. So okay, uh, in short, I'm going here. Either you want to change the name, you can change it. So, okay, just I can do the sales price to rename it. See, one error is gone. I mean, one warning is gone. So next thing is I will just clear it and try again. So the things are there, 2 errors. Okay, family name and family code. Okay, we'll go with the family name. Okay, so many family name. Okay, one thing I'm just excluding it. I don't need two family names. Okay, one is, what is the one? Again, you can just find out here, go back, and family code. Oh, we should have done that. Family code, I'm just excluding it. It's based on your requirement. If you want to keep it, you can keep, or you can exclude it. So done. So a couple of errors got resolved here. So next, go and see here. Okay, I will go here and see what are the things we can. Okay, I will find the year first. Year. Okay, there are a couple of years are there. See, it is coming from this calendar year, and this year is coming from this path. How do I make sure? Give me a second. Yeah, see, the another year is coming from here. So if you want to get the year from this table or from this table based on your requirement, you can decide and take the call. So I'm taking this year from this table. So I'm just excluding this. Excluding. See, one error is gone. Like that, I'm fixing the all these issues, and I will get back. So all errors were fixed now, and yeah, I can just save this view. What I can give is Analytics Dataset ADS eFashion. Yeah, ADS eFashion. I'm just making it as the Analytics Dataset. I'm directly using it. See here, create analytic model. This is the latest. I mean, in the latest what I can say, latest features we added into the Datasphere. We can use it, or I'm still using that old one. So see, expose for the consumption. To make this view available for SAC, we have to enable this. And this I'm not. This is optional. Whether you can choose it or not, it's up to you. Then I got one more two errors. What is interesting? What is saying? The table or view evaluation with the type analytic data set. Analytic data set needs at least one visible measure. Yeah, I can add that. So what it is telling is we need to make at least one measure. We have few measures. We can just go and sales price. I can make it as a see, change to measure. Now that error should go away. And yeah, now I can just save and enable it. I will add a couple of measures also. Sales price, yeah, quantity sold. I can mark it as a measure, and yeah, just I'm pausing it. Yeah, I'm just save it and deploy it. So when I save, I get a warning. I'm just going anyhow. Okay, and see here one change I wanted to show, like once before deployment and after deployment. I will do that once it's deployment got success. So finally my view got deployed. See here, you can save and deploy it, and once you deploy, see here, yeah, you will get this option. This is deployed, and see now you got this option, whether the same this table. If just assume that instead of getting this eFashion from the HANA database, the data may be coming from the different sources, or even from HANA database, and that may be connected to some our ERP application like S4HANA or ECC, and the data is frequent. You want to load into this, I mean, load and refresh it, then you can schedule this job here. See, load new snapshot option is there, and create a schedule. Here I can use the cron jobs, say cron expressions, and simple things you can do, and schedule it here and create this scheduler. I'm just not doing anything. And association, and if you are familiar with the BW or any other data warehousing tools, is nothing but just we can add the different tables here and do it. And data access control is kind of a security we can define. It's the same feature we can do in the SSC as well. Tag and business purpose, all the purpose you can define here. Tags you can give. If you define all these roles and tags here, which help you when we are using the catalog. Okay, these are the basic things. Let's go to the SAC and see this, consume it in SAC and build the story. Okay, I can launch it from here only. See, yeah, I can launch SAP Analytics Cloud, and I already had the connection to this one, so I can just quickly go here, story, responsive page. I'm just going with the still classic one. And selecting this, I'm selecting this is my connection. Yeah, it's trying to connect to the data sphere, and this is the space which I have selected, and yeah, this is my schema, ADS eFashion, the same which we have given here, right? Just now we created out. Let's go. Okay. And these are the measures which I'm having here, and then add the dimension, what we can do, category, no, color code, no. I will just go with month, quarter, shop name. Okay, see, this is the fashion dollars, and this is the chart we can create. It's done. Yeah, like this, you can create the eFashion. I mean, stories based out of the eFashion, and you can do the exploration, like any explorations. If you want to do particular things, you can do it, and then yeah, you can just save it later. Okay, this is the story. And the one more thing just I wanted to demonstrate in this session is, see, I use this SAP Analytics Cloud for AO plugin. So I just added the plugin here and just set up the connection, and everything is ready. And then see, you can add the table here, and the same eFashion I can use my live connection and open. Then I can select the space, and then I can select the Analytic Dataset eFashion. Yeah, I got it here. Now I can just see it's the builder panel. You can add. I can go with the category again. Okay, shop name, shop code, and state. I can add, and year as well. And then I will add all the measures. Finish. I got this data, and I'll just add a couple of charts over here. Okay, which one? Yeah, let's go with this one. That's it. I mean, if your business uses or someone which wanted to use this SAC feature in Excel, then you can use the plugin as well, and you can share it. It's done. Thank you. I will come back with some other features like data flows and replication flows and a couple of other scenarios. I mean, intelligent lookups. There are many things there. For all the examples, I mean, all the sessions in future, I'm going to use the eFashion. That's what I want to demonstrate here. I'm done for the session. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you have any queries and anything, you can just drop a comment in this video session. Thank you.